Hello and welcome back to my channel. So acidity or acid reflux disorder is a very common problem affecting more than 20% adults in western countries. Acid reflux happens when contents from your stomach move up into your esophagus. It's also called acid regurgitation or gastroesophageal reflux. Acid reflux can cause an uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest, which can radiate up toward your neck. This feeling is often known as heartburn. If you have acid reflux, you might develop a sore or bitter taste at the back of your tongue. It can also cause you to regurgitate food or liquid from your stomach into your mouth. So in this video, we will be discussing what are the benefits of curd for people with acidity. So let's begin. Acidity is caused when the stomach starts overproducing gastric acid that instead of helping in digestion of the food causes problems like heartburn, burning sensation in the stomach, and belching. Now, if you are suffering from these symptoms, consuming something spicy and hard to digest can exert a stress on your digestive system, increasing your acidity and reflux symptoms. Curd is a dairy product obtained from milk. Milk has a high amount of calcium in it that prevents building up of acid by eliminating the excess amount, making it an efficient home remedy for acidity. The pH of milk can range between 6 and 8, but the fermentation process reduces the pH of curd to 4.3 or 4.4. Lesser the pH, more acidic. The duration of fermentation can make curd even more acidic. Although curd is technically a high acid food, it is recommended for most people as it has a smoothing effect on the stomach. This is because curd is generally considered to be less harmful as it contains citrate from milk and lactate due to fermentation process. So these along with calcium present in the curd help to neutralize the highly acidic hydrochloric acid or HCl that our stomach produces. Few of the researchers even showed that curd may cure infection caused by the bacteria Helicobacter pylori, the most common cause of acidity due to stomach infection. Curd is a probiotic rich food which helps the good bacteria in our gut to grow properly that are very important for healthy digestion. So the best way to have curd is to have it first thing on an empty stomach diluted with water. You can eat it with fruits or even make curd rice. Start to include curd in your daily diet. It will definitely make a difference in the symptoms of acidity. I hope I was able to answer the question. If you like the video, make sure to share this video with your family, friends, and any person you know who might be suffering from acid reflux. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.